Did you know that the average American spends nearly $1,500 a year on dental care? Yeah, that's right. With costs like that, having the right dental insurance can make a huge difference in your wallet. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important: dental insurance. I mean, let's be real. Taking care of our teeth is vital not just for our smiles but also for our overall health and financial well-being. So, if you're looking for ways to keep your pearly whites healthy without breaking the bank, stick around. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the confusion surrounding dental insurance. I get it, it can be a real headache. There are so many terms floating around: deductibles, co-pays, and coverage limits. It feels like trying to decode a foreign language. And don't even get me started on the plans that sound great but end up covering less than you thought. Plus, with the rising costs of dental care, choosing the wrong plan could mean shelling out a lot more money than you anticipated. It's no wonder so many people feel overwhelmed. Now, let's break it down. There are a few main types of dental insurance plans you can choose from. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.